Okay, so in this lecture we will discuss that how to write a computer program. The main discussion will be on that how to write a computer program. ठीक है, एक computer program कैसे लिखते हैं. So basically there are 5 steps for writing a computer program. The main 5 things that you should know before you are going to start to write a computer program. So these are the 5 main things in which first of all you should know the purpose of writing a computer program. After that the syntax and semantics. On third place variables, and after that logic designing, and in the last you should know about the output. Let's see and explain them one by one. Okay, so first of all, what is my purpose? So as I told you before, that means if you want to write a computer program, so you should know these 5 steps, in which the first one is the purpose. And the purpose is the most important thing, because if you know about the purpose that you want to do that thing, so then it's easy to achieve your goal. But if you don't know about the purpose, then it's difficult to achieve your goal. So our purpose is to write a computer or program, right, in a computer language C++. So basically this is our purpose, right? If I just want to add the true number, I want to write a program for adding the true number using C++ object-oriented concept. So this is my purpose, right? Or if, for example, if I want to print a hello world on the screen, so I want to write a computer program for that. So first of all, you should know about the purpose for what thing you are going to write your computer program. After that, the language that you have selected, as you have selected the C++ here, so you should know about the syntax and the semantic of the language as well. Just like in our daily life, right? If you are speaking like a natural language, if you want to learn a new language, so definitely we are going to learn the words of that language, and similarly then we should know about the grammar of that language as well, that how we should put these words properly so that it should give us some meaning. The same way for computer programming language, right? If for example I told you that mean I want to learn the C++ and my purpose is to add the two number. So first of all I should know that what statement I will be using for output, like for example cout or cn. What is the purpose of the cn? If I just want to take something from the keyboard, so I will be using the cn for that one, right? Or if for example there is a condition and I want to find something in that one, for that I should be using the f. So mostly you should know about the keywords, right, that we will be using in that language. Like for example in C++ we know about the cout, the cn, the f, else, switch, etc. And similarly then we should know about the syntax of that language as well. Like for example if I'm just going to write displaying something on the screen, so I will be using the cout, then I will be using the greater symbol and then double quotes, and in between double quotes I will be writing something, for example hello world, and then putting the semicolon at the end. So definitely that will give me the output of the word hello world output. So if I am using those words according to the syntax, so it will give me some meaning and it will give me some output. But if I'm not using that one according to the syntax, I put a semicolon in the start and cout at the end, so definitely the compiler will not be understanding that thing, and then it will be difficult for the compiler to find out the solution for that one and give me the meaning. So that is the main step. Like for example if you want to learn any language, so you should build its vocabulary, and after that you should know how to use these words, so then only the compiler will be understanding that one, just like in C++. Okay, we will know about these keywords, and then after that how we are going to use that one. Similarly, once you know about the syntax and you got the vocabulary of that language, then the third important thing is the variable. The variable, I will explain that in detail later on, but as you know as well, that mean what the variable is. So mostly that is like a container in which we store different values, right? So if you are writing a computer program, so definitely you need some knowledge about the variable. Like for example, I just want the user to input his name. So which type of variable I will be need for that one, right? I will be needed for that. For example, I will be declaring a string, or if I just telling him to input a number, so I will be definitely then using a variable type integer. So basically you need the knowledge of these types of variables. I mean, how many types of variables there are, like we got integer, float, and similarly double, and that one we got string, character, etc. And then how to use that thing in the proper at its proper place. So you definitely need that knowledge about the variable as well. And the most important thing is the logic designing, and that's part is you're gonna learn more if you are doing more reading and you're doing more practice, and that's what mostly the computer science student will be doing. They will be designing a logic. Like for example, if I want to add two number, so I will be using sum is equal to num1 plus num2. I'm adding these two variable and then just putting its value in the third variable, the sum. Or for example, I'm using is equal to that sum num1 is equal to num1 plus num2. So I'm adding num1 and num2 and then putting its value again in the num1. So I'm using the two variable for that purpose. So two different type of logic, right? So logic designing will be improving if you are doing more practice and you are doing more reading. Then the last, okay, that's the, for example, if you write a computer program, so how its output will be look like. So definitely we need to know how my output will be look like, or the user or the client will request me that my output should be look like that one. That means I should get an output like that if I'm just inputting something. So this is also the most important thing, the output. So we got five important things. One is the purpose, the second one is the syntax and the semantic, third one is variable, fourth one is logic designing, and the fifth one is the output. So definitely you need the knowledge about these five things, so then you will be able to write a computer program. Thanks for watching and listening, and subscribe this channel so that you should get the latest updated videos and tutorials on this channel. So subscribe it and like it. Okay, thank you very much.